name is Ashlee with Granville Homes, and I'm here to show you what to do if you have no power to your outlets. First, locate the GFCI outlet within the affected area. A GFCI, also known as a ground fault circuit interrupter, is the first in a string of outlets and is the one used to provide GFCI protection to the circuit. A GFCI outlet can lose power or trip due to a few reasons, but the most common cause is due to overloading the load of the circuit by plugging in multiple small appliances to a single circuit, making the load higher than the capacity of the circuit. The tripping feature is for safety and protection, which results in the button on the outlet to pop out, shutting down the power to the outlets. To identify if your circuit is being overloaded, please see the manufacturer's tag or user guide for number of amperage. When plugging in small appliances, please consider the number of appliances already plugged into the circuit. Even if the appliance is not being used, it still can draw voltage. Use your small appliances to try to replicate the GFCI tripping. If it trips, then you know the cause was due to overloading. When this happens, reset your tripped GFCI outlet by pressing the button on the outlet. Now, try unplugging any small appliances plugged into the circuit. If the GFCI outlet does not trip, then you're good to go. But if it continues to trip without anything plugged into it, please contact your customer care department for recommendations.